Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you very much for joining me here. This is a very quick crypto market update, just kind of seeing what's going on here with Bitcoin. It is retesting its local point of control. We're also going to discuss Bitcoin dominance and CME futures, just kind of get some perspective on if there's any gaps and what the overall sentiment is there with altcoins. So taking a look here, just to quickly note, we got our point of control at 94,600. We close above that today. There's a decent chance we do see a continuation higher. Just keep in mind on the daily time frame, we still have yet to see a daily closure above 95,000. We're literally 6 days in a row in the same range here. So it's kind of getting annoying, but it's basically just par for the course until a side is chosen. Speaking of side here, let's take a look here. We can see altcoins, for the most part, even though they're doing well, they're not doing as well as they should or could, based on the simple fact that Bitcoin dominance is still going higher. So earlier today, we saw Bitcoin dominance going up and the price of Bitcoin going up, which led altcoins to pull back. Now, at this point, we're starting to stabilize, seeing Bitcoin dominance stabilize, which puts us at a 1-to-1 ratio with altcoins, basically implying that if Bitcoin goes up, alts will go up with it, which we're kind of seeing right now. And then the inverse as well. Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down. So if we stay in the 64% range for Bitcoin dominance, we're going to see a 1-to-1 comparison there, if you will. Last but not least will be a Bitcoin CME futures, kind of give you some perspective. There is still a small gap as low as 92,000. I thought that was going to get filled this morning, but the price just turned right around when the traditional markets pulled back and recovered nicely. So just know this here is present and it's something to just be aware of, right? So overall, I think we got like a 60% probability the price goes down and like a 40% chance we hit 97,000 first. So it's not the greatest odds. I typically don't like to trade in these conditions. So if you are forcing trades right now, having not a lot of luck, I wouldn't recommend trading too much. You are better off right now shorting, because if you take a look here, Caspa, we shorted that yesterday, 31%, and then Solana as well. About 3 days ago, I sent a short signal out on Saturday for our community. So good stuff overall, but I think taking longs right now is just inherently more risky, and I would wait on doing so until Bitcoin dominance starts to shift gears. All right, that's all we got. Thanks so much again for watching. Look forward to seeing the next one. Be safe out there. Take care.